calling on my phone. Mine gets caught lying to myself. I'm greener grass. Dream another life, one that's not so hard. I can get lost down that dangerous road. I am not them. I do not know what they're really going through. There's a lot that I assume. Freedom I get from the work that I do. Thoughts that I choose. Feelings I soothe. Finding the mingle of ease. Loving what is. Wouldn't it be grand if I settled in to love my life? What I have made foundations strong, built with bricks instead of straw. Gratitude, wiser have learned to nourish their own. Life is not in the escape. Loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is. Finally, I've learned not to fool myself. Loving what is.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the fit process of these few little items. Very, very straightforward while we've got it. So Tubliner, one piece for the tub, one piece for the tailgate. You can see OEM fit and finish, so it is designed to do what it's supposed to do. Have a quick look at our tonneau cover very quickly. Single handle in the middle in order to operate it. I'm not going to go ahead and roll it forward at the time being, but it's very, very straightforward. One piece leather tonneau. As far as tonneaus go, they do quite well when it comes to water tightness, right? When opening and closing, just make sure to use the handle to make sure that it's locked into place correctly. Another benefit, of course, is you just noticed I pulled down the tailgate without having to open the tonneau cover, which is very, very helpful. A lot of the times customers just end up opening the tailgate, accessing the tub, grabbing whatever they need and throwing the tailgate right back up. Side steps themselves are very, very straightforward. You can see these are the steel Stingray steps that we do, mounted directly off the OEM body points. Very, very heavy duty, and if I do say so myself, really complementing the look and finish of the vehicle. If you want to grab these pieces for your BT-50 or for any other ute that you might have, ozcanopies.com.au is the site to go to. Other than that, like, subscribe, notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.